Ooh. Oh my god. Ang cute ng receptionist. Oh my god. Why did I do that?
Okay na.
Why did I do that? Doll 42.
Hi.
A human? Dolly will be pleased with you. Oh my god. Dolly, if you're here in the why are dolls in the hospital? Yeah. I'm a nurse. I didn't get signed up for this. Flower. Oh my god. Oh my god. So cute. So kawaii. Oh, that's so cringe. You. Let's go behind the desk. Cause why not? Oh, there's a rose. There's a rose right there.